Powermat Charging Spot 4.0 Installation Instructions. These are the tools required to install the Charging Spot 4.0. Electric screwdriver, flathead screwdriver, pencil, measuring tape, cable clips, and cable ties. These are the parts of the charging spots: bottom unit chassis, bottom unit cover, top unit, power supply, and daisy chain. Please make sure you've read the safety instructions and pre-installation considerations. If you are installing several units in a store, it's recommended to plan your installation prior to starting. Take time to create an installation map of your venue. Download the Powermat Installer app available for both iPhone and Android phones and sign in. There are two options to install. The first option is to install the bottom unit first and align the top unit. The second option is to install the top unit first and align the bottom unit. We will start with option 1. Prior to installing the bottom unit chassis, make sure the power supply is disconnected. Mark the place under the surface where you intend to install the charging spot. Make sure that there is at least 1 inch clearance from metal objects above and below the table. Mount the unit to the table with 4 screws. Avoid touching the electronic board. When installing on a non-wooden surface such as granite or glass, use glue to attach the bottom chassis to the surface instead of the screws. Connect the adapter wires to the connector using the slot head screwdriver. It is recommended to secure the wires with a cable tie. Connect the bottom cover to the bottom unit. Use the pins for orientation. Mount the cover to the bottom unit with 2 screws. Connect the adapter to the charging spot and to the power outlet. Make sure you see the white LED turn on. Use cable clips to mount the cable to the table. Activate the Powermat Installer app and click on Alignment tool. Move and align the top unit according to the instructions in the app. Mark top unit location. Remove the protective film and mount the top unit to the table. Make sure charging spot graphics is facing the user. To activate the charging spot, please go to the charging spot setup in the Powermat Installer app. Once the charging spot is activated, check your phone to verify it is charging. Now we will present the second option. Install the top unit first and align the bottom unit. Mark top unit location. Remove the protective film and mount the top unit to the table. Make sure charging spot graphics is facing the user. Connect the adapter to the charging spot and to the power outlet. Activate the Powermat Installer app and click on Alignment tool. Move and align the bottom unit according to the instructions in the app. Mark the bottom unit location. Mount the bottom unit to the table with 4 screws using an electric screwdriver. To activate the charging spot, please go to the charging spot setup in the Powermat Installer app. Once the charging spot is activated, check your phone to verify that it's charging. You can daisy chain up to 4 spots per 1 adapter. If you wish to install more than 1 charging spot on the same table, make sure you have the proper power supply to do so. Connect the pigtail wires to the wire that will be routed to the second charging spot. Insert both wires into the first charging spot connector. Connect the second wire to the next charging spot. Now, you can place your phone on the Powermat and be assured of continuous wireless charging.